Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 30th of August 1963, the Moscow-Washington hotline entered operation, providing a direct link between the Kremlin and the Pentagon. The idea for a direct system of communications between the world's two largest superpowers had been discussed since at least the late 1950s, but became more urgent in the aftermath of the Cuban Missile Crisis. Many officials found that the slow pace at which the existing diplomatic communications system operated had undermined their attempts to reach a peaceful conclusion in the standoff, with messages taking upwards of 6 hours to be delivered. As a result, on the 20th of June 1963, the Soviet Premier Nichita Khrushchev and American President John F. Kennedy met in Geneva, where they signed a Memorandum of Understanding to establish a direct communication link between their governments. The primary route would take messages from Washington to Moscow via a 16,000-kilometre-long cable, passing through London, Copenhagen, Stockholm and Helsinki. Contrary to the urban legend, however, the hotline did not see a red telephone placed on the respective leaders' desks. Instead, the first system used a telex link to type messages that would be decoded and translated by military interpreters at the other end prior to being forwarded to the country's commander-in-chief. The first message, sent from Washington on the 30th of August 1963, ensured the keyboard and printer were working properly. It said, "The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog's back. 12345678890." The first official message was sent by Washington on the 22nd of November 1963 to report the assassination of President Kennedy. To ensure the system was functioning as intended for the rest of the time, test messages were originally sent every hour. The system now uses satellites to provide a secure email connection.